1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
And now taking a look at the forecast for the Grand Strand and the surrounding area. Issued at 8:40 a.m. Today, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 90s. Heat indices around 100. Light wind. Tonight, mostly clear. Humid. Lows in the mid-70s. Light wind. Thursday, partly cloudy in the morning and then partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 90s. Heat indices around 100. Winds southwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday night, chance of thunder. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Horry County Sheriff, the Horry County Emergency Management, the South Carolina National Guard, and the United States Coast Guard. A very dangerous situation is taking place in Myrtle Beach. At 10:18 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a very large creature with 9 heads and dark green scaly skin was detected attacking residents and property along the beach. This creature has caused extensive damage to the northern shores of Horry County and is now moving south. This creature has now been confirmed to be Hydra. Hydra is a creature from Greek mythology and is described as a giant water snake with 9 heads. In addition, the breath of Hydra has been reported to be deadly and could kill people within 1 mile of Hydra. At this time, all residents of Horry County are urged to evacuate south immediately. Please do not take anything with you except a battery-powered radio with no alert. The United States Coast Guard and United States Navy are coming up with a plan to defeat Hydra. To repeat, Hydra is attacking residents in Horry County, South Carolina. Take immediate action to protect your life. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Horry County Sheriff, the Horry County Emergency Management.